हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आरके केमिस्ट्री। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज आम डिस्कस करवा सीपीटी आंसर की 2020 जहाँकि आज एग्जाम थिला। सब पिला अपेक्षा कर आंसर को, किंतु वीडियो आरंभ करने पूर्व मुझे कही रखा चाहिए जो आंसर की कहि ताहा 100% ठीक बोली मुझे कहूना, कारण यह 80% ठीक हो पारे किंतु 100% करेक्ट नुहे। जो क्वेश्चन आंसर डाउट अच्छी मोर मुझे क्वेश्चन आंसर देवी ना, केवल जो आंसर मु 100% सियोर तार ही आंसर तुम मानक कहि। सो चलतु वीडियो को आरंभ करवा। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स गिव्स प्राइमरी अल्कोहल अपॉन रिएक्शन विथ मिथाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, एथिलीन ऑक्साइड। क्वेश्चन नंबर टू रो आंसर डाउट रे मो डाउट अच्छे मुझे आंसर कहूना। क्वेश्चन नंबर थ्री, aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction as compared to alkyl halides. This is due to, the correct answer is option number D. Question number 4, identify the reactant X in the following reaction sequence, and the correct answer is option C, aniline. After that, question number 5 रो मध्य आंसर मु कहबी नहीं, कन्फर्म आंसर मु डिस्क्रिप्शन में देदेवी, सेठू तुम पर चेक कर परिबो गोटे दिन पर, काली किंबा पहर दिन। तापरे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इफ 2 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन विल बी सब्जेक्टेड टू मोनोब्रोमिनेशन, देन हाउ मेनी आइसोमर्स विल बी इट फॉर्म, एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 4. Question number 7, calculate lambda max value for the following compounds using Woodward and Fisher rule, and the correct answer is option A, 254 nm. Question number 8 रो मध्य आंसर मु कहबी नहीं वर्तमान। Then question number 9, the sodium extract of an organic compound develops blood red color on treatment with FeCl3 solution. The ion responsible for this color test is, and the correct option is NCS minus. Question number 10, which one of the following statement is correct regarding the following reaction, and the correct answer is option number A. Then question number 11, suggest the product of the following reaction. I think the correct option is option A, but I am not 100% sure. I will give you this answer after one day. Then question number 12, which one of the following reaction is not an example of U and Cb reaction, and the correct answer is option number D. Question number 13, what is the correct statement for the given reaction? Question number 13 नो मध्य आंसर वर्तमान कहबी नहीं। Then question number 14, which is the correct order of nucleophilicity in the following option, and the correct option is option number C. Question number 15, which one of the following statement is true about the reaction given below? Question number 15 नो मध्य मु वर्तमान आंसर कहबी नहीं। Then question number 16, which one of the following substituents on the benzene ring is not a meta-directing group in an electrophilic substitution reaction, and the correct option is option number D. Question number 17, which one of the following alkanes exhibit optical activity, and the correct option is D, 3-methylhexane. Then what will be the most important appropriate reagent for the following transformation, and the correct option is option number B. Question number 19, which one of the following carbocations is the most stable, and the correct option is option number D. Name the process associated with acylation of benzene, and the correct option is A, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Then question number 21, which one of the following statement is incorrect, and the correct answer is option number D. Question number 22, arrange the following intermediates in the descending order of their stabilities, and the correct option is option number D. The IUPAC name of the following compound, and the correct option is option number C. Which type of macromolecules, question number 24, which type of macromolecules carries out catalysis in biological systems, and the correct option is option number A, proteins. A nucleotide is constituted from which of the following units, and the correct option is option number B. 26, the change in free energy of a reaction at equilibrium is, and the correct option is 0, option number C. Question number 27, if doubling the initial concentration of a reactant doubles the half-life period T half of the reaction, then the order of the reaction is option number D, zero order reaction. If question number 28, if psi is the wave function, then what is the probability of finding an electron in a given region within the atom? Option is C is correct answer. Question number 29, 1 coulomb is the charge of. Question number 29, the correct answer is option A, 1 mole of electron. 29 question doubt अच्छी मैं कहबी यार आंसर मे बी ऑप्शन ए 1 mole of electron. Question number 30, the pressure correction in the van der Waal equation is due to the, and the option is D is correct answer. Question number 31, the relationship between Cp and Cv for n mole of ideal gas, and the correct answer is option number B. The relationship between the contact angle and the wettability of a liquid is, and the correct answer is option B. Question number 33 ର answer ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବି ନାହିଁ. Question number 34, which of the following is not applicable to the adsorption phenomena, and the correct option is option C. Which of the following terms is not associated with phase rule, and the correct option is option D. Which of the question number 36, which of the following is an intensive property, and the correct option is option D. What is the degree of freedom of 0.1 n aqueous solution of NaCl, and the correct option is option D. What is the ionic strength of 0.2 molar Na2HPO4, and the correct option is option C. Which of the following is not the rate expression for a reaction A plus 2B gives 3P product, and the correct option is option C. Question number 40, at equilibrium the process of adsorption involves, and the correct option is option number B. Question number 41, if molecule A absorbs light energy around 630 nm, the color of the solution of A will be, and the correct option is option A, red color. Question number 42, the half shell A plus electron gives A minus has a large negative reduction potential, the consequence will be, and the correct option is option D. At the end point of acid-base titration involving a strong acid and a strong base, using an appropriate indicator, the pH of the solution would be option C, neutral. Question number 44 answer ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବି ନାହିଁ because ये question में doubt ଅଛି. Question number 45, the unit of molar extinction coefficient is, and the option A is correct answer. Question number 46, which of the following statement is correct, and the option is A. Here He3 is incorrect, here H11 and H13. After that, question number 47, a molecule is Raman active if the molecule is polarizable. Option A is correct answer. The cathode rays are reflected towards, and the A is correct answer, positive electrodes. 48. 49, what is not a renewable energy, and the correct option is option number D, LPG. After bubbling air through pure water, pH equal to 7, its pH decreased. Which of the following is responsible for the pH change, and the correct option is option B, CO2. Question of 51, the correct option is option B. Question of 52, according to Bohr's theory, the angular momentum of an electron in the fifth orbit is option D is correct answer. Question number 53. In a crystal lattice, the medullum constant depends on the option D is correct answer. Ionic radius of both cation and anions. Question number 54. Which of the following is the correct order of ionic radii, and the D is correct answer. Question number 55. Which of the following pairs corresponds to soft base pair, and the option D is correct answer. Question number 56. The ionic compound which indicate pyrosilicate is option D is correct answer. Then 57. The reaction of HCF6 with CSF produces a compound that undergoes decomposition after 50 degrees centigrade. The compound is option C is correct answer, CSHCF7. What are the precursors used for the synthesis of boragine in Stokes process? And the correct answer is option A, boragine and NH3. Question number 59. Which type of isomerism exists between these two molecules? And the correct option is option C, ionization isomerism. Question number 60. The primary and secondary valency of cobalt atom in CONH3 Cl2 Cl complex is option D is correct answer. Question number 61. The rate of reversible hydration of carbon dioxide is accelerated by which of the following biomolecules? And the option is correct option is option B, carbonic anhydrase. 62 क्वेश्चन भूल अच्छी कारण ये जो सब मलिक्यूल देती मलिक्यूल कौन से मलिक्यूल CFS 0 बाहरनी से ये क्वेश्चन भूल अच्छी ये समस्त को ग्रेस मार्क मिल पारे कारण क्वेश्चन ये भूल अच्छी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी 63 रो. देन 64 रो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. 65 the correct option for 65 is option B. Then 66. The number of radial nodes present in 3s and 3d orbitals respectively, and the option is option A is correct. Then 67. The correct option is option C. 68. The correct option is sp3d, option B. 69. The correct option is option D. And question number 70. Which of the following is the incorrect statement about J salt? And the correct option is option C.